A determiner is a word, phrase or affix that occurs together with a noun or noun phrase and serves to express the reference of that noun or noun phrase in the context. That is, a determiner may indicate whether the noun is referring to a definite or indefinite element of a class, to a closer or more distant element, to an element belonging to a specified person or thing, to a particular number or quantity, etc. Common kinds of determiners include definite and indefinite articles, demonstratives, possessive determiners, and quantifiers. See examples in the box on the right. And see English determiners and English articles. Description: most determiners have been traditionally classed along with adjectives, and this still occurs. For example, demonstrative and possessive determiners are sometimes described as demonstrative adjectives and possessive adjectives respectively. However, modern theorists of grammar prefer to distinguish determiners as a separate word class from adjectives, which are simple modifiers of nouns, expressing attributes of the thing referred to. This distinction applies particularly in languages like English that use definite and indefinite articles, frequently as a necessary component of noun phrases. The determiners may then be taken to be a class of words that includes the articles as well as other words that function in the place of articles. Not all languages can be said to have a lexically distinct class of determiners. In some languages, the role of certain determiners can be played by affixes attached to a noun or by other types of inflection. For example, definite articles are represented by suffixes in Romanian, Bulgarian, Macedonian, and Swedish, when definite becomes spoken, while the Romanian kayat similarly becomes kaitul. Some languages, such as Finnish, have possessive affixes, which play the role of possessive determiners like my and his. XBar theory contends that every noun has a corresponding determiner. In a case where a noun does not have an explicit determiner, XBar theory hypothesizes the presence of a zero article, or zero determiner. Noun phrases that contain only a noun and do not have a determiner present are known as bare noun phrases. Some modern grammatical approaches regard determiners as the head of their phrase and thus refer to such phrases as determiner phrases rather than noun phrases. For more detail on theoretical approaches to the status of determiners, see noun phrases with and without determiners. Universal grammar is the theory that all humans are born equipped with grammar, and all languages share certain properties. There are arguments that determiners are not a part of universal grammar and are instead part of an emergent syntactic category. This has been shown through the studies of some languages' histories, including Dutch. Types of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, numerals, distributives, interrogatives. For details of the use of determiners in English, see English determiners. See also, classifier, references. External links, Grammar Banker Determiners Practice, SIL Glossary of Linguistic Terms. What is a determiner?